In today's video, we're going to compare the 2025 GMC Yukon and 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe, two full-size SUVs that are absolute titans in the automotive industry, head-to-head today. Although these two SUVs are built on the same basis, they each have an own personality. We provide both rough performance and luxury options to suit your needs. Now let's get started. So, let's start with a little-known fact. The GMC Yukon and its long wheelbase sibling, the Yukon XL, may have their own unique style and upscale vibe, but they actually share the same platform as the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. This means both offer some seriously torque-rich, fuel-efficient powertrains, including a diesel engine that can get up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Plus, with 3 rows of seats for up to 8 passengers and a spacious cargo area, these SUVs are perfect for both road trips and everyday life. Now, the Yukon can be as simple or as luxurious as you want, especially with the high-end Denali and Denali Ultimate trims. But if you're looking for something that screams luxury and tech, the Cadillac Escalade might be more your speed. It's built on the same platform but takes things to another level. On the other side, we have the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe, a beast of an SUV with a truck-based frame that's ready to haul people, cargo, and trailers. The Tahoe offers 2 V8 engines and a diesel inline-6, making it a towing powerhouse. Plus, the Z71 model is equipped to handle off-road adventures. Inside, you can choose between a more basic setup or something almost as luxurious as its GMC cousin, but none of the trims get quite as fancy as the Yukon Denali. Alright, let's talk about what's new for 2025. Starting with the GMC Yukon, we see a refreshed front fascia with a redesigned grille and headlamp design. The Yukon's lighting now has animation features, and the Denali Ultimate comes standard with new 24-inch wheels, while they're optional on the regular Denali. There's also a new trim level called the Elevation, replacing the SLE and SLT trims. If you're into off-roading but still want luxury, the new at4 Ultimate model might be just what you're looking for. Over to the Tahoe. 2025 brings a mild styling refresh and a redesigned dashboard featuring a newly standard 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen and an 11.0-inch digital instrument cluster. The V8 engine options remain the same, but the diesel inline-6 gets a power boost to 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Chevy has also added new towing aids and revised the suspension for added comfort. And yes, you can now get 24-inch wheels on the Tahoe as well. The 2025 GMC Yukon is expected to start around $64,000 and can go all the way up to $102,000 depending on the trim and options. We recommend looking at the new Elevation trim for the best value unless you're planning to do some serious off-roading, in which case the at4 might be your best bet. For the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe, prices are expected to range from around $59,000 to $79,000. The mid-level RST and Z71 models offer great value, with the Z71 being particularly appealing for its off-road capabilities. If you're looking for extra power, upgrading to the 6.2-liter V8 is a solid choice. When it comes to engines, the Yukon offers 2 V8 options and a diesel engine. The 5.3-liter V8 delivers 355 horsepower, while the 6.2-liter V8 cranks out 420 horsepower. The diesel engine, now available across all models, produces 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, making it a great option for towing and fuel efficiency. The Tahoe mirrors this setup with similar engine options and a 10-speed automatic transmission across the board. For towing, the Yukon with the 5.3-liter V8 rear-wheel drive setup is rated at 8,400 pounds, while the diesel and 6.2-liter V8 are close behind. Both SUVs handle well for their size, but the Tahoe has a slight advantage with less body roll when cornering. If you prioritize driving dynamics, the Tahoe is your best bet. Moving on to the interior, the Yukon can seat up to 8 passengers, with an optional upgrade to luxurious captain's chairs in the second row. The Denali trims offer top-notch materials like open-pore wood and chrome accents, along with 16-way power-adjustable front seats. Cargo space is impressive, especially in the XL model, which offers up to 145 cubic feet with all seats folded down. The Tahoe, on the other hand, provides a massive interior with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The second row seats slide for added flexibility, and the top-spec High Country trim offers genuine wood trim and perforated leather upholstery. The cargo area is spacious, with up to 123 cubic feet available with the seats folded. Both the Yukon and Tahoe offer comfortable seating for up to 9 passengers, but the Yukon has a secret weapon. Its extended wheelbase version, the Yukon XL, offers more legroom in the third row. And also, with higher trims offering premium leather and wood accents, it just feels a bit more upscale compared to the Tahoe, which still has some hard plastics even in the upper trims. If space and interior quality is what you're after, the Yukon takes the lead here. Finally, let's talk tech. The Yukon features a 16.8-inch vertically oriented touchscreen with Google software, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The Denali Ultimate trim even adds a 22-speaker Bose sound system and rear seat entertainment options. The Tahoe comes with a 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen angled toward the driver, along with an 11.0-inch digital instrument cluster. Like the Yukon, it includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Optional upgrades include a Bose stereo system and a rear seat entertainment system. When it comes to reliability, the Tahoe edges out the Yukon with a J.D. Power score of 81 out of 100 compared to the Yukon's 80. While both scores are great, that slight edge gives the Tahoe another win. Therefore, after analyzing every important category, it can be concluded that the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe wins more of our competition. But keep in mind that each of these SUVs has advantages, so the best way to decide is to take a test drive and discover which one seems most appropriate for you. Remember to take into account rival models like the Ford Expedition and Jeep Wagoneer. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.